Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to create Pinterest video using Olive Video Editor. So Olive is a free video editor. So it is open source video editor. So here I'll explain you how you can use Olive to create Pinterest video. So actually for a Pinterest video you have to create specific you have to use specific video size. So they are 1000 to 1500 pixels. So let's see how can we create a video to a Pinterest profile using Olive Video Editor. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe your YouTube channel for more videos like this. So open your Olive Video Editor like this. So once you open the Olive, to create a Pinterest video, what you should do is just go to the file menu. Then you have a option called new. So click on the new, and there you can see a option called sequence. The shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N. So click on the sequence. So once you click on the sequence, then you can see a dialog box like this. So here you have to get the here you have to give the desired video size. So here for a Pinterest profile, the video size is 1000 pixels width and 1500 height. So this is the pixel size you have to give to create a Pinterest video. So then click OK. Yeah, you can see your video size is showing here. So then you can add a desired video. So I'll explain you by adding a sample video. Yes, this is the sample video I am going to use. So select the video and press open. Yes, then right click. Then I want to remove the audio. Then drag your video to timeline like this. Now if you want to add a sound, then file import, then you have to select the soundtrack like this. Yes, I add the soundtrack, place the soundtrack like this. Then when I want to add a default transition, now by clicking this place, the video you have put on the timeline, then you can change the and you can change manually. You can change the video size like this. Like this, you can create your own video. And if you need to add a text here, then click this button, then select the title and drag like this. So once you click on the title, then you can add your own text here. Then you can change the text size to right like this. So once you arrange video file, audio file and the text file like this, then you can export your video. Then click on the file menu and click export, or shortcut keys Ctrl+M, then press export. So once you press the export, then you have to give the desired location and give a desired name for your Pinterest video. So once you give the file name, then press save. So once you save, your video is making like this. So this is how you can use Olive open source video editor to create Pinterest video, your own video. So actually this is very easy, and you can create Pinterest video anytime using this method. So that is how you can set your image size or a video size for a Pinterest video using Olive Video Editor. So if you need any additional information, please put a comment under the video description. So I think I think you understand. So I think now you know how to create Pinterest video for your Pinterest profile using only video editor. Thank you very much.